obet gi buok bang' fwenyo ni okil manuchung'ne anyuola moro e doho e wach lo ne en mabandia. Jadolo Nemuel Momanyi ma jahigni 68 ma iwacho ni osebedo ka ochung'ne ji ma opogore e kaunti ma Kisii ne ochopo e doho ka oikore mar chung'ne anyuola mar Linet Bosibori. Jadolo no osebedo ka tayo weche dolo e kanisa moro e gwenge mag Suneka nyaka chop ne ofwenye gi doho ma Kisii bende noriembe motelo ne temo hape kendo e doho ma Nyamira.
Penalty for pretending to be advocate, that is the title of that section. An unqualified person who willfully pretends to be or takes or uses any name, title, addition or description implying that he is qualified or recognized by law as a qualified to act as an advocate shall be guilty of an offense.
This one entitled you to represent parties in court. No, horticultural business certificate. And why are you giving me this one? So you'll give me all the certificates you have, including your birth certificate and baptism certificate, to show that you can represent people here. Why are you giving me this one of horticultural business?
No, that's one. That's the time when I attended that one. And then
I've asked you to show me a certificate that entitles you to represent clients in court, not horticulture, and the presiding judge of this court.
Ramogi